More than a month after being charged, Father William Jeffrey Polish walked into court Wednesday. With a possible plea deal in the works, he gave up his right to a preliminary hearing to challenge the evidence against him.
There is a plea offer on the table. I don't really want to get into the terms of that at this point. I don't want to mess up anyone's, rights at this point. But like I said, I think there is a resolution that could be reached.
On September 19th, police say they found Father Polish in a car with a pantsless 15-year-old boy on the Penn State Worthington Scranton campus. He initially told investigators he was walking around working on a homily and met the boy by chance, but later admitted placing an ad on the website Craigslist, and the two agreed to meet. Polish's attorney says given the nature of the case and the evidence, a plea may be the best way to resolve it.
When you look at plea negotiations and waivers, you look to limit the exposure to incarceration under supervision, and after evaluating the case, we felt that that's the best avenue to take.
At the time of his arrest, Father Polish was working at Prince of Peace Parish in Old Forge. Since he was ordained in 1988, he had worked in roughly a dozen other churches. At this point, prosecutors say no other victims have come forward.
At this point, there's no other charges forthcoming. The investigation will remain open, and as always, if anyone has more information or things that they think we need to know, we'd ask them to come forward.